Well, good afternoon, folks. It is August 31st. My hat's on a little crooked. Wanted to just give you an update. I am in Missouri. We are at our new home. Do a little walk around. And got the pond down there. Got the pool over there. And here's some of the front yard. Got a nice outbuilding down there, and got some horse pasture all the way in the back of the property there, and lots of good hunting grounds. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry about that. But, so, the reason I've brought you all together today is I have my first unboxing of the season. Now, you might think it nominal or small, because it is small, but it plays a huge role. And this is something that I used back in 2017 when I was an out-of-state hunter in Missouri. And hang on, I gotta find my dog. Hey, Lucy. Oh, there's Lucy. Anyway, new property. She could get lost pretty quick. She's 11 years old. There she goes. Anyway, so, but plays a big role, and I use this back in 2017 to assist me in shooting my buck in northeast Missouri. So here we go. You ready? Now I've already cut open the box because I'm one hand in it. So I'm going to show you this and we're going to talk a little bit about it. And here we go. So let's see how I'm going to do this here. So I think what I can do, there we go. So are you ready? Drum roll, please. This, pay no attention to this just yet. Who has heard of Smokeys? They are not a sponsor. I do not get paid for this endorsement, but I can tell you, oh, and check that out. That's what I'm talking about, folks, right there. Smokeys Pre-Orbital Gland Lure, Smokeys Lures. They are out of West Virginia, and I'm going to try to get this joker open so you can see the bottle. Now, they say that once you get the bottle open, wear rubber gloves. So I'm not going to touch, actually. I'm going to try not to touch any of that. This is what it is. Smokeys Pre-Orbital Gland Lure. You start a mock scrape with that, and any potential dominant buck is going to visit that mock scrape. So in the back end of my property, back there, there's a small grove of fruit trees, and there's lots of oaks, and there's this low-hanging oak. Right now, there's 2 fresh scrapes under it. I was back there the other day doing a tour of the property, because we just settled on Wednesday, so I've only been here. What is today? Oh my God. Today's Monday. So we haven't even been here a week, and I did a tour of the property on Saturday, and I tell you what, you could smell the tarsal gland and buck urine in those scrapes. It was just so potent, and it was fresh. So our belongings arrived this Thursday, so I'm going to get out my cell cam as soon as it gets here, because I should have packed it in the truck, but lesson learned. I'm going to put some Smokies back there, and I'm going to put a camera on it, and I'm going to give you an update. And that's the thunder rolling. Supposed to get some thunderstorms next couple days, which is good. Y'all may too think that I don't ever change my clothes. I do, but I don't have anything else to change into. We just go home and wash them every night, because we've been living out of a suitcase and at my daughter's house. Thank you, Mary and Jason, for tolerating us. So, but pretty soon we'll be in here. We're doing some renovations, and got a lot going on in the house. So I'll keep you updated. But all is well here. Getting my Missouri driver's license probably tomorrow. So I'll be an in-state hunter. I ain't got to pay $225 for a license. That's what I'm talking about. So anyway, I just wanted to give a shout out to Smokeys Lures and Pre-Orbital Gland Lures. I can put a description and a link in the comments below, and I will put that in there as soon as I post this. Hope you all have a great hunting season. We are 15 days away from the opener. I can't believe I'm saying that. That's insane. Sorry, I'm kind of keeping an eye on my dog because he's roaming. Anyway, talk soon. Be safe. See you in the tree stand.